It's done. This guy better be paying me double. 4? I can handle that.
So, did you get your soulmate's number yet?
Yeah, I did. It's 4. How about yours?
Oh, wow. Mine's 60.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I mean, my number's more than that.
I got this guy. You take that one.
Copy that. Nice one.
What the hell? Guess what?
What?
My soulmate's number just got bumped up to 7.
So?
So, that means that he was having, I don't know, a threesome?
It's not that kind of body count.
It's not. Then what does the number represent?
It's our soulmate's kill count.
So that means that he could see every time I...
Yep.
Oh, it's not good.
You're overreacting.
Do you know what my kill count is?
No, because you won't tell me.
Exactly, because it's really bad.
Oh, please. Is it more than mine?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's not like this guy is a saint.
I know, but 7 compared to my number is like nothing.
Hang on. It's the boss.
Oops. So, what do you say?
He wants us to take out our soulmates.
Like, take them out on a date? Or like, eliminate them?
Obviously the second one. You know we can't have attachments.
Well, I'm not gonna do that, are you?
Natalia, you know what our boss will do if we don't.
I really don't want to kill him.
Oh my god.
Not you, you idiot.
Natalia, we don't have a choice.
Hey, can you hear me? I'm getting a lot of static on my...
Raise your hands. This is for killing all my men.
You should really be more careful.
No, wait, I think it might be my... soulmate. He drives a Ferrari with no license plate? Maybe he's not as innocent as I thought.
Natalia, are you okay? What's wrong?
No, nothing. I'm good.
Really? You're gonna lie to me? Okay, guess I'll leave you alone.
Fine, but you have to swear not to tell the boss.
So your soulmate saved your life, and now you've gone soft and don't want to kill him.
That's true, except for the going soft part.
Well, now the boss is going to kill you.
I know, this is why we can't tell him. You promised, remember?
I know. I'm not the one that has the briefing with him tonight, though.
Yes, sir, I did. No, no one saw me.
Very good. Very good.
Actually, I should be going now, so...
Get back here. It's time to teach you a lesson about lying. It's time to teach you a lesson about lying.
Oh no, Natalia. Can I stay at your place tonight? I don't think I can make it back home. I can't believe he didn't kill you.
Yeah, well, right now I'm kind of wishing that he did. Could I have one more chance to finish the job? I don't even know when he knew I was lying.
Actually, I think I do.
You think I told him?
That is for thinking I would ever do that. Come on.
Okay, then how did he know?
I think your soulmate is your boss's son.
What? You're sure you saw him in the boss's driveway?
Yep, I took a picture of his car. This is him, right?
Yeah, damn it, that's him. I don't understand this. If he's his son, then why does he want me to kill him?
I don't think they get along very well.
Well, the boss gave me 24 hours to get rid of him, and if I don't, I'm dead.
You ready?
Yeah.
I already killed my soulmate. Don't worry, it's not that bad. Natalia, do you see in front of him? No, not yet. Wait, scratch that, I think I see him. But he's too far. I need to get closer.
Freeze.
Hey, easy now. My dad put you up to this, didn't he?
Yeah, I'm sorry, but I don't have a choice.
Natalia, pick the shot. You know, you have really pretty eyes.
Flattery isn't gonna work on me.
Well, if you're gonna kill me, then do it. You're wrong about not having a choice.
What are you talking about?
Listen, I'm willing to help you eliminate my father. This is your call. Do you trust this guy or not?
You know what? Yeah, I do.
Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now where's the body?
It's in the trunk.
Show it to me. I want to see it.
There you go. See for yourself.
There's nothing here.
Surprise. Hey, Dad.
I can't believe you're gonna have me kill your own son.
This is a setup? Oh, Natalia. And to think you were my favorite. Have you forgotten about the chips in the back of your heads?
So what? They're just trackers.
No, Gretchen. They're a little more than that. If I die, so do you too.
Fine. Then so be it. Because a life working for you isn't a life worth living.
Natalia, wait. He's bluffing.
I'm not. Sophia, don't go and
Told you he was bluffing. You two scared the shit out of me.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm just happy to be free. So, are we gonna address the elephant in the room?
Are you referring to my kill count?
Oh, that's right. He knows your number. Okay, come on, tell me.
I don't want to say it, okay?
Listen, I killed my soulmate for no reason. The only joy I will get is knowing your kill count. Do you really want to deprive me of that joy?
Fine, it's...
I couldn't hear you. Oh, come on, just say it.
269, okay?
Oh, no. You need to change that number right now. Go kill a rat or something.
I'm not gonna go kill a rat. That's not even how the body count works.
Excuse me. I'm looking for a girl. You, come with me.
No thanks.
I wasn't asking, sweetheart.
Hey,
I'm not gonna lie, that was kind of hot.
I got you, babe. There's more of them coming.
Looks like I'm changing that number.
Come on, please don't do anything bad.
Okay, how was that at first? I mean, we basically read each other's minds anyways. So, do I tell her I can read her mind now? Nah, I don't want to creep her out. That's kind of weird. Hey.
Hey.
You look so pretty today, too. I mean, you look so pretty every day, honestly.
Thanks.
Why would she think I was lying to her? Bye, babe. I'll see you tomorrow.
You guys are so cute.
I don't understand why she'd be thinking all this stuff. Unless maybe she wants me. Does this mean she's gonna try and ruin my relationship with Chris? I'm overthinking. There's no way this ammo is for him.
Breaking news, a teenage boy has been reported missing tonight.
Jace?
Hey girl, how are you?
Not good. Didn't you hear the news about Jace?
No?
Macy, he's missing. You wouldn't happen to know anything about that, would you?
I gotta get to class.
I think she might have Jace. That's it. I have to go talk to her.
You wanted to talk to me?
Yeah, and, listen, this is kind of hard to say, but I know that you like me. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's just that I have a boyfriend.
Well, he's missing.
Ashley, you realize if you don't get to 1,000 likes by the end of the year, you're not meeting your soulmate.
Yes, I'm well aware of that, thank you. She doesn't need a soulmate to be happy anyways.
You guys are literally so pathetic.
Hey Ashley, do you think I could take a picture of your notes real quick?
Oh, yeah, for sure. Here.
Sweet, thanks. Let me give you a like.
Thank you.
Ah, she thought. Just ignore them.
How can I? I mean, at least you have 20 likes. I have 2. And one of them's from you, and the other one's from my mom. Just face it, Chase, nobody likes me.
I'm never gonna find my soulmate.
I wouldn't be so sure about that.
Who are you?
My name is Lindsay, and I'm here to make you the most liked girl in school.
You want to make me the most liked girl in school?
Yep, that's right.
Why?
Well, in all honesty, honey, your mom sent me.
She did?
Yeah, she's kind of worried about your social life, but don't worry, I'm gonna take care of everything. So, if we take a look at this score sheet, your total's 20 even.
Babe, I'm so sorry. I don't think I have enough.
Hey, it's okay. I got it.
Sorry if I embarrassed you back there.
No, you're fine. I understand you're going through a tough time with your job.
Tomorrow when the amount in my bank account appears, it might come as a bit of a shock to you.
Listen, I don't care how low that number is. I'm gonna love you just the same. Poor thing. It's time to see how little he has. What? My boyfriend is a billionaire? No, there has to be some sort of mistake.
I take it you saw my account?
Yeah, and you've got a lot to explain. Whose Ferrari is in our driveway?
That's mine. Well, actually, it's going to be yours now.
What? No, I am still mad at you.
Come with me and I'll explain everything. There was a good reason for me lying.
Oh yeah? Was there a good reason for you having me buy your meals for the past year? Heck, I even paid your rent one time.
I know. And I'll be paying you back for all of it.
Why didn't you just tell me?
Because every girl I've ever dated has used me for my money. I was tired of dating gold diggers, and I wanted to find a girl who liked me for me. I promise, I will make it all up to you, and I'm going to start by showing you where I really live.
Whoa, now hold up. You have a Chick-fil-A in your kitchen?
Yep, and there's a McDonald's upstairs.
Babe, who are you, Richie Rich?
Excuse me for just a moment.
This is crazy.
One of my stocks just went up. A lot.
Yeah, actually, I can see that. Why don't you look happy?
I'm worried about your safety. You can't tell anyone that you're dating a billionaire.
Why can't people know I'm dating a billionaire?
Because I'm now one of the youngest billionaires alive.
And is that a bad thing?
I know a lot of people that would die to get their hands on my money.
And you think they'll come after me?
I know they will. Promise me you won't tell anyone about my money.
Okay, I promise, but you do owe me quite a bit of cash, so what do you say you take me on a little shopping spree?
Well, I can't be seen buying you a bunch of stuff, but I can give you this.
Babe, this is like 10K. You didn't owe me this much.
I know. Consider it a thank you for being so kind to me. I want you to spoil yourself.
Oh, hey, Lizzie. Where's your boyfriend? He's at his house. Why?
Oh, nothing. I just think it's kind of sad how he never buys you anything. I mean, look at all the stuff you had to buy yourself. It must be hard to date someone poor. Actually, he's not poor. He's one of the richest people alive. What?
Did you enjoy your shopping spree?
Yeah, sure did.
Good. I also bought you this necklace.
Babe, it's beautiful. Thank you.
Delivery for Elizabeth?
Yes, how much do I owe you?
Oh, it's not you who's gonna owe me money. It's your boyfriend.
Lizzie, it's 1 a.m. Why are you up?
This isn't Lizzie, but if you want to see her again, you're gonna do exactly as I say.
You want me to wire you $1 billion?
Yeah, do it now or she's gone.
No, I'll send it. It's done. Now let me speak to her.
Okay, talk.
Liam, I'm so sorry. This is all my fault. I accidentally told someone that you were...
It's okay. I planned for this. Remember that necklace I gave you?
Yeah?
It's a tracker, babe.
No! Please, freeze!
Thank you, Liam. I'm glad you were able to get your money back.
I don't care about the money. I'm just happy you're okay.
I barely even talk to him anymore. He's a social reject. Please don't call him that. Forget about Chase, Ashley. You need to focus on your likes. Now come on, we're going to the mall again.
What are you doing here?
I wanted to see you. Where's Dylan? He's at practice. Wait a minute, let me see that hat. Did you get a haircut and shave a little bit?
Yeah. I just figured it was time for a change.
Oh, you look really nice.
Thanks. Listen, Ash, there's something I've been meaning to tell you.
Oh, it's Dylan. He needs my help.
Ash, I don't think Dylan is a good guy for you.
Excuse me? Wait, what do you mean you don't know Lindsay?
I didn't send her. Honey, I'm about to go into my meeting.
Your mom.
Hey, did you lose likes?
Yeah, from Dylan, Chase, and Pepper.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Because I want to know who you are.
What do you mean?
I talked to my mom, and she said she didn't send you.
Damn it! You weren't supposed to find out yet. Oh, I guess I might as well come clean. I'm here to steal your likes.
What?
Mm-hmm. You see, I found a way to hack the system. I steal people's likes, then I sell them. And you know, most people don't even make it to 1,000, so you really impressed me, Ashley. I'm calling the cops. Put that down. Stop moving and sit still.
System activated.
This is gonna be fun. Yes, it's working.
How are you even doing this?
I just connect my technology to the light chip in the back of your neck, and voila! Isn't it wonderful?
Ugh, this is taking forever.
Please stop. I don't feel good.
That's probably a side effect from the machine.
What happens when I hit 0?
You'll become a permanent social reject, and there's a small chance that you could die.
What?
Yeah, that's what happened to the last person.
Ash?
Chase?
Yeah, what the hell's going on?
I'm stealing her likes, and while I'm at it, maybe I'll steal yours too.
I knew you were a little fake. You let her go right now.
No thanks. I mean, what are you gonna do, you pathetic little piece of... Ugh.
You were saying? Ash, if I unplug this machine, you could lose all your likes permanently.
I don't care. Just unplug it. She said if I hit 0, I could die.
Here it goes. Hey, you feeling all right?
Not really.
Hold on to me. I'm gonna take you to the hospital. We were able to restore her likes, and we gave her a few extra ones, too. Hey, you're up.
Where's Lindsay?
Don't worry. She's been arrested.
Where's my mom?
She's on her way. Oh, and, here. The cops found it on Lindsay.
Listen, Chase, I'm so sorry for the things I said to you. You were right about Dylan. I don't know why we thought that he would like me.
Hey, it was his loss. Any guy would be lucky to have you. Speaking of which, now you can meet your soulmate. We're soulmates, huh? Ash, I've been waiting to do this for a long time.
You want me to give you my infinite words?
But I'll get your stepsisters to leave you alone, too.
You could do that? How?
Through magic, of course. Just look at how hot the prince is. I mean, don't you want him?
He is very handsome, but I just can't give up my words. I don't even know if I can trust you.
My dear, I live to help others. In fact, I'll even give you a chance to gain your words back. All you have to do is get the prince to fall in love with you.
But without my words, how will I get him
You
to?
have your looks, your pretty face, and don't underestimate the power of body language. Ocean, we want more food. I don't have all day.
Okay, you have a deal.
Excellent choice. Perfect. And one more thing about the deal. You have 48 hours to get the prince to fall in love with you, or your words are mine forever. Ocean, we're hungry. Let's go. Forget. Why are you talking to that weird girl and her grandma? I don't know. Let's get out of here. Grandma? Why? I ought to turn them into clams. Let's just get you to the prince. The prince will be here any minute. Good luck. Your time starts now. Stop. Excuse me, miss. Do you need some help? You don't have any words left, do you? You must be lost. It's not safe out here. Please, come with me. Is that better? What's your name? Oh, right. Wait here. Ocean. That's a beautiful name. I wish I could give you words, but my father, he made it against the...
Son, who are you talking to?
Why do we have to switch back? Oh, please, just be anything but my hand. Seriously? Listen, I just got a new job, and I cannot have you messing it up for me, okay? Hi, welcome to Happy Burger. How may I take your order?
Get me a cheeseburger?
Okay, and would you like a side of fries with that?
No, no thank you. Hey, I said no fries.
I'm so sorry, ma'am. Let me fix that for you right now.
Sure. Excuse me, are you talking to me?
No, ma'am.